Hello friends, this is Kanchan Bhonde from Nucleus Tutorials. Welcome back to my channel. This is session 4 of integers. In this session, first we will do some practice questions of addition and subtraction of integers on number lines, and then we will learn properties of addition and subtraction of integers. So let's first is 5 more than minus 3. So we will write it as minus 3 plus 5. Now here first we will reach to minus 3, that is our starting point, and then we will move as we are adding plus 5, means it is a positive integer. So we will move 5 steps right to minus 3. So it is 2. So our answer is 2. Next, one example of subtraction. 3 less than minus 2. So minus 2 minus into bracket plus 3. Here we are subtracting a positive integer. So we will move, we are subtracting positive integer. So we will move 3 steps left to minus 2. That is minus 5. So our answer is minus. Now see some example, some practice questions. Here I have given you 8 questions of different types, and you can find solution of practice question 2 in video integers solution #2. The answers are also given. Even then, if you find any difficulty, so for further assistance, you can call me on my mobile number 7982241447. My WhatsApp contact 7982241447. You can chat with me, means you can find, if you have any difficulty you can ask me, or you can send your queries on my mail ID nucleustutorials20@gmail.com. So now let's start our today's session, properties of addition and subtraction of integers. There are 4 properties of addition and subtraction of integers. First one, closure property, then commutative property, associative property, and additive property. Let's see them one by. First is closure property. Now what we do in closure property? What is closure property? When addition or subtraction of 2 integers gives an integer, we say that integers are closure under addition or subtraction. For example, here we are adding 2 integers. One is positive, one is negative. 19 plus into bracket minus 25. Now you can easily solve it. So answer is minus 6. Minus 6 is what? It is again an integer. So resultant integer may be positive or may be negative. That doesn't matter, but it is an integer. Now in the next example you can see it is 2 plus 17. So answer is 19. Again it is an integer. It means what? Integers are closure under addition or subtraction. If a and b are integers, then a plus b, the result is also an integer. Now see the examples of subtraction. Here it is minus 8 minus into bracket minus 14. So it will be minus 8 plus 14, and answer is 6. So on subtraction, when we subtract 2 integers, even then our result is an integer. Like one more example, it is 7 minus 9. So answer is minus 2, which is again an integer. So we can say that if a and b are integers, then a minus b is also an integer. If on addition and subtraction of integers they satisfy this condition, then we say that integers are closure under addition or subtraction. The next property is commutative property. Now to understand commutative property, Let's take an example. 3 plus 4, or we can write it as 4 plus 3. The answer is same. Means what? On changing the order of integers while addition, their result remains same. It means what? A plus B equals to B plus A. If it happens, then we say addition is commutative for integers. Now let's see what happens in case of subtraction. 5 minus minus 3. So it becomes 5 plus 3. Answer is 8. Now in the next, I am changing the order of integers. I am taking minus 3 first. Means now I am subtracting 5 from minus 3. So now it becomes minus 3 minus 5. So answer is minus 8. Means what? A minus B is not equals to B minus A, because in case of subtraction, when we change the order of integers, as you can see here on the screen, in the first case it is 5 minus minus 3, means we have two integers 5 and minus 3. In first case I am subtracting minus 3 from 5, so we are getting answer 8. But in second case I am subtracting 5 from minus 3. Order is changed, so my answer is different, that is minus 8. So what we will say? Subtraction is not commutative for integers. Means if on changing the order of integers while the mathematical operation, then if answer remains same, then we say that property is called commutative property. Our next property is associative property. What does associative property say? It says that for any three integers a, b and c, if a plus b plus c equals to a plus into bracket b plus c, then we say that addition is associative for integers. So first we will solve a plus b and then we add c to the result. But in the second case, what we will do? First we will solve b plus c, because these two integers are in a bracket. So first we will solve them and then we add a to the result. That take three integers 3, 4 and minus 5. So first we will write it as a plus b into bracket and then plus c. So it is 3 plus 4 plus into bracket minus 5. First we will solve the bracket. So it is 3 plus 4, 7. Now plus into bracket minus 5. So it will become 7 minus 5 equals to 2. Now in the RHS part, it is 3 plus into bracket 4 plus into bracket minus 5 bracket close and then square bracket close. So first we will solve the square bracket. So in square bracket it becomes 4 minus 5. Now we will solve the square bracket, we get minus 1. So now equation is 3 minus 1 equals to 2. Now next is additive identity. What is additive identity? It says that if we add 0 to any integer, we get the same integer. So 0 is the additive identity of all integers. Means a is any integer. If we add 0 to a or 0 plus a, the answer remains same, that is a. For example, 5 plus 0 equals to 5, or even if it is a negative integer, then also it is true, that is minus 54 plus 0, it will remain minus 54. So all these were the properties of addition and subtraction of integers. In the next session we will see the properties of multiplication of integers, and we will do some practice questions based on properties of addition and subtraction of integers with easy steps. And thank you very much for watching this video. And as I mentioned in my video, that for further assistance you can contact me, you can WhatsApp me on the number 798241447, or you can mail me on my mail ID nucleustutorials20@gmail.com. Thank you.